Loyal subjects, welcome back to King White's Court. Today we're talking about calculating area. Okay, first way, a couple different ways you calculate area. First, you can model it. So, first thing we're going to do is we have this rectangle that's 4 units long. So we're going to break the length into 4 equal parts for our 4 units. So I'm going to draw my 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And break these into 4 equal parts. Now my width is 3 units. So I'm going to break my width into 3 equal parts. 2 lines will give me 3 equal parts. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to number how many square units I have inside of my rectangle. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my answer is 12 square units. Another way that you can calculate area is by using your algorithm formula. Area equals length times width. So here I have a length of 90 inches. So I'm going to write that under my formula. I've got 90 inches. My width right here is 80 inches. So I'm going to write times 80 inches. I'm going to multiply 90 inches times 80 inches and to get my area. So I have my area equals 9 times 8 is 72. And I have 1, 2 zeros, so I'm going to tack that on. So it's really 7,200. And inches times inches, that's going to be square inches, which is the same thing as inches squared, inches times inches. Finally, we're going to talk about finding or calculating the area of an irregular shape. Okay? So here I have an irregular shape. Okay, I kind of have a square and another rectangle tacked up on it. And there's going to be 2 ways that we can do this. All right? First method, or first way we can do this, is by calculating the area of your entire rectangle. So if I make this into a kind of makeshift rectangle, okay, I have a length of 25 inches. I've got a width of 10 inches. So I'm going to multiply 25 inches, better, 25 inches times 10 inches, and that gives me a total area of 250 square inches. 25 times 1 is 25, 1 0 gives me 250. However, I have this missing rectangle that I need to subtract because this part is not included in my entire area. Now first I need to figure out the length of my missing side. So if I know that from here to here is 25 inches, and I know from here to here is 12 inches, I can subtract 12 from 25 and get 13 inches left over. So I have 13 inches is my length. I have 3 inches as my width. So my second step is going to multiply 13 times 3. And that gives me 39 square inches. And I'm going to subtract that from my 250. 250 minus 39 gives me 4, 10. 9 from 10 is 1. 3 from 4 is 1. We have 2. So we're left over with 211 inches squared. Okay? That's the first way that you could solve it. Another way you could solve it is by splitting it into multiple triangles, or multiple rectangles. Excuse me. So I could split it up like this. Okay, there's actually a couple different ways you can split it up. And I know that this section is going to be 12 inches times 3 inches, and that's going to give me 36 square inches. Now I have this entire rectangle that I need to find the area of. So my length would be 25 inches, my width would be 7 inches, so I'm going to do 25 inches times 7 inches. And I'm going to multiply here, 25 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35, carry your 3. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 3 is 17. So I get 175 square inches. And then I'm going to add my 36 square inches. And when I add it up, I get the same answer, 211 inches squared. Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you tomorrow.